Use an 8 mm hex key to loosen the crank screw. Screw in the crank puller. Use a 16 mm wrench to turn in the direction of the front of the vehicle and remove the crank. Use a 3 mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that fix the chain cover. Remove the chain cover. Shift the chain onto the smallest sprocket. Find the chain quick link. Use quick release pliers to squeeze the chain quick link inward to open it. Remove the chain quick link hook. Remove the chain from the derailleur and the chainring. Put the chain on the chain sprocket. Place the chain on the smallest sprocket. Engage it with the derailleur chainring. Use the chain quick link hook to hook the two ends of the chain. Connect the chain with the chain quick link. Use quick release pliers to tighten the quick link outward. Remove the chain quick link hook. Make sure the chain rotates smoothly. Install the chain cover. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Install the cranks on both sides in opposite directions along the same straight line. Apply thread locking adhesive to the crank screw. Tighten the screw. Confirm that it rotates normally.